Facebook finally came out with some new features. This for Reels, okay? Now, with the rise of vertical videos, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, it seems as if Facebook has been kind of slowly getting there. So here are some of the new features that we can expect, right? 90-second Reels, which for me, I'm confused why it did take so long because Instagram got 90 seconds and it just didn't transfer over. So that's a little bit weird to me. But we got 90-second Reels. Memories can now turn into Reels. So for those people who are on Facebook, we always see like, this happened 3 years ago. This happened 10 years ago, right? You can turn those things now into Reels. It also has grooves, which is where they sync up your video automatically, videos and pictures automatically to some music that you like, right? And then they now have templates. So for those people who are not necessarily super creative and can't think of what am I supposed to do for a reel today, you can now pick a template and just add in your video and pictures and it automatically comes up. Now, of course, this is nothing new to those who have been doing vertical videos on, let's say, Instagram and TikTok, right? Meta is also known for taking ideas. This is nothing new. However, Reels on Instagram and Facebook has actually doubled in the past 2 years, I believe, right? And this is something that is interesting because on Facebook, it's actually easier to share your reel compared to, let's say, Instagram. And TikTok just recently started to do a repost situation. So from a shareability and to get your brand awareness out, Facebook does have a little bit of a one-up on all the other platforms. But still, it is running a little bit behind. And I would love to see, what's going to happen with Facebook. Are they going to finally catch up to maybe even doing some of the special effects that like TikTok does? Is it going to do the 10 minutes or however longer for a reel? What is going to happen? So shout out to Meta. Shout out to Facebook. I appreciate y'all because y'all rock with Nicky and Moose. We have our own page over there. Go check that. But these are just some of the new features that, Facebook has. What you think, Moose?
Wow. That's interesting. Facebook is staying strong, man, considering all that's happened after them. Mm-hmm. They're doing their very best to stay alive. So that's what's up. Shout out to Mark and all he's got going on over there. We're excited to see what comes up for, we can't even call it Facebook, for Meta, the company. So yeah, we shall see.